This is the California quail, a non-native species to the Okanagan Valley. It was brought in by settlers in the 1860s for food and game shooting. Unfortunately, quails are a very small animal. You'd have to shoot a lot of them. And hopefully, at this point in time, nobody does, because they're a beautiful bird that has a beautiful song. You hear them in the early morning and late at night calling their babies. They have up to 30 babies. They can have up to 16 eggs, up to 3 times a year. So that's why we have an abundance of quails in the valley. They are the most populated bird in the world, and we have them in our Okanagan Valley. So there's a little bit of information. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and share. We greatly appreciate it. Thomas Attenborough signing off. Have a great day. We'll leave you with this majestic bird, the quail. California, Okanagan now, Valley quail. Thank you.